Alright everybody, welcome back to A Warrior's Garden. This episode's going to be quick and to the point. Basically, I want to show you what I do to get rid of my branches and my trimmings and stuff. I have a cool little machine that I use to chop them up. And that is that Sunjo right there. So if you look at my poor pomegranate is a typical one you find in most Arizona yards. I think it's called a wonderful variety, but it's really disease prone, and I haven't ever had a problem this year, but this year they got a disease and all my pomegranates. I had so many pomegranates and they've gone to waste. So I had to trim things up, and I had to trim the tree. I was reluctant to trim the tree, but I went ahead and did it because, well, I'm not going to get any pomegranates anyway. So what I'm doing is I let those branches dry a bit, and now I am turning them into wood chips. This one doesn't chip quite as small as I'd like. Let me get down there. But it does a good job. I mean, I'm going to throw that on my garden, around my trees and stuff. And I'll show you a little bit of the operation here in a second. Basically got it down there. It does make kind of big chunks. So, can't quite get that big piece, so I'm going to have to pull that out. Maybe I can break it up. So, but yeah. Hey, thanks for joining me for that little review of that Sunjo chipper. Like I said, I'm not endorsing him, but I like it. It does a good job. I wish it chipped just a little bit smaller. But it works, you know, it does the job, and I am able to prevent having to throw a lot of stuff out in my green barrel where I can just chip it. Now, I do recommend you dry your wood first a little bit. If it's green, it struggles a bit with that, but that's okay. Let it dry a little bit and then run it through the chipper and then put it on your garden. And, you know, that's what I've done, and I'm pretty happy with it. So let me know what you think, or if you found something that works better for you. Stay safe. Keep gardening, and I'll talk to you later.